Hey, Jason Fitzgerald here at InfoComm 2022. We are at booth W2761 at Blustream. And I'm going to talk to you here briefly about the HEX70HDUK. So, a little bit of a mouthful, I know, but this actually is right off of our very popular HEX70HDU, which is a presentation switcher. It uses HDBaseT technology. What we have here is HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C in. This is not just USB-C that's converting to video. This actually has capabilities to do PD or power device. So we can, of course, charge up to 65 watts. What you'll see here, though, which differentiates from our original HEX70HDU, is, of course, USB capabilities. So on the receiver, you'll find USB 2.0, so you can connect things like cameras. And at your tabletop, you can do things like other USB peripherals or audio devices. All of this can be turned around and output via USB. So you can do what? So, for example, you can get camera, you can get a microphone and other stuff to connect directly to your computer for doing things like teleconferencing and Zoom and Skype and all of those applications. So in addition to that, we've got basically an input on the receiver as well. So if you've got a digital sign going to your display, you can bring it in as part of that ecosystem. So what you've got now is auto switching, including that display or that input. So when you're not using the room, it'll go right back to using, of course, that digital signage display. Now all this, of course, fits into a nice kit, right into a brush aluminum optional, drop-in box, so it makes it perfect for the conference room. You can find all these solutions, including HDBaseT 2.0 and 3.0, at the Blustream website. That's www.blustream-us.com, and that's Blustream, B-L-U, not with an E.